Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is active and the email address is verified. This links messages to mail. Open Settings, tap Messages, and enable iMessage. Then choose Send and Receive and tap Add another email if needed. Enter the address and verify the code Apple sends. Once done, select that email as a reachable address and as the default for starting new conversations so messages route through iMessage instead of SMS. Now refine how you appear to others. In Messages, Send and Receive, check the boxes next to the email and phone numbers you want active. Make sure you pick one default under Start New Conversations from. This decides your identity when you initiate a chat. If you want consistency, choose your email so threads started on Mac or iPad show the same sender. Finally, test with a contact. Ask them what address shows so you confirm the configuration across devices. Finish by sending test messages from each device to ensure the email identity is used consistently. Check thread continuity on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. If messages don't appear under the email, sign out of iMessage and sign back in to force re-registration. Make sure software is up to date and restart devices. One key troubleshooting tip: if syncing fails, toggle iMessage off, restart, then turn it on again. That often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.